Hey Modern Fragrance community, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Ambretone aroma chemical by Takasago. Ambretone is a powerful, stable, biodegradable macrocyclic musk with nitromusk characteristics not found in other commonly used macrocyclic or polycyclic musks. It shares the same molecular formula as Velvione by Givaudan, carbon 16, hydrogen 28, oxygen. Macrocyclic musks are synthetic lactones that are derived from plants that are much safer than nitromusks. They are also more biodegradable than polycyclic musks. This makes macrocyclic musks not only better for our health, but for the environment as well. Ambretone by Takasago hosts a clean, powdery, soft, animalic musk aroma that blends well with other ingredients such as florals. It's commonly used as a substitute for natural macrocyclic ketone musks that you'd find from deer musk pods. Macrocyclic musks have a very heavy molecular weight, so smelling them straight out of the bottle without a carrier such as ethanol might be difficult for many of you. Ambretone is soluble in many of the common perfumery ingredients such as ethanol or dipropylene glycol. The recommended usage is 1 to 10% of your total concentration. Be sure to read your MSDS or SDS information before handling any aroma chemical ingredients. You can find them on your source's website. Some important MSDS notes include, but are not limited to, acute toxicity oral, category 5, hazardous to the aquatic environment, category 1, hazardous to the aquatic environment with long-lasting effects, category 1, and it has a flash point of 93.3 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I absolutely love this aroma chemical. I find it a little bit softer than Velvione, and I recently added it to a marine cologne recipe I'm currently working on as a personal scent. Well, that's all I really have to say about Ambretone by Takasago. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.